Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can factory reset your GoPro Hero 9. So when the GoPro is turned on, you can swipe down at the top. Now in the menus, you can swipe across and then tap on Preferences. So tap on this icon. Next, we need to go down. So go down and then tap on Reset. So tap on Reset right here. And next you need to swipe down and tap on Factory Reset. And then tap on Reset. So here reset your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro cloud account. So it is now resetting. Now it will beep twice and then it will start again. So after that, after the factory reset, you need to set up your GoPro again, as you can see right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.